Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up or turn on call forwarding when you are busy and unable to answer the phone on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app and then select the three-dotted icon in the top right and go down and select the settings button. And now underneath General, you want to select the Calls button. And underneath Call Settings, select Call Forwarding. And where it says When Busy, go ahead and select that. And type in the number you want calls to be directed to when you are busy and unable to answer the phone. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.